Meet the Regurgitator. This is a Morse code training device. Employs one display, 16K ARM processor, 32-bit, piezoelectric speaker. We're going to improve on that speaker eventually. And here's how it works. Turn it on. Here comes the splash screen. Well, I missed the splash screen. Anyway, you have 4 buttons here. One of them, the center button, turns on the light, and also it's reseating the random number generator as we speak. And it tells you the current menu item. I think there are 5 menu items. Now, the up and down buttons select which menu item. So if I push down, I'm now in the tone frequency, and I can vary that as I can slow it down or speed it up. There's 2,000 hertz, 1900. Make it 2,000. As long as I'm in that menu, the left and right bring it up and down. We also have the number of words. It's set at the lowest number now. It goes up to 1,000 words. Okay. And then we also have a menu item for a repeat count. I've been requested to offer 3 different, usually 3. I'm going to change that pitch again because I like, okay, this is the pause, and the pause is in milliseconds. So if I want to pause a second between that's a long word there. Okay. So I can also go back on the pause and lower it back down to 0, which I prefer right now. Anyway, you can set it up to, I think, 10 seconds. Anyway, let's see. We can change the word per minute, and we'll jack it up because this is for the high speed boys. Whip it up to 35, 36, 35. Up and down, and this is the menu item, up and down. I kind of like the higher frequency. We'll run it up to 3,000 just for the heck of it. Nice, huh? Sweet. And the number of words, repeat count, how long you want to pause between words, word per minute. And any time you press the light button, the middle button, and it's reseating the random number generator continuously until you let go. So it's a completely random seed, and that works out pretty well. I'm pretty happy with the whole thing actually, and I don't know what else to tell you. Let's see. We're going to try and get some. Oh, these are from the one. There, I found 9,000 most often commonly used words on Google, and this is the top 1,000 or less, depending on how you set it. If I set it back down to 100, okay, then it's the top 100 words. It's pretty good. It's got everything the guys want. I'm going to slow it back down again so it's sort of more meaningful to most people. Let's go back down to 20, 15. There's 20. Okay, the Morse code regurgitator. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.